dancing competitions in my college, and as well as I'm the class representative, and the uh, like you can say class representative, as well as one of the bright student in my college. Like everyone knows me, that here is Surbhi Gupta, and she can do whatever you want her to do. Like I'm the organizer of many other activities. There is a con- uh, conference in my college, uh, international conference, you can say. Many of the IITians, IIT professors came over there to represent their colleges and present their papers in that conference. So I was the organizer of that conference also. So like that.
Surabhi, that sounds amazing, I'll say. So a dancer and with their, technical background. And yes, what you shared, it is pretty impressive. So being district level mathematic, either it's Olympiad or your dancing competition or your tech fest. So I believe these things really help you a lot, in shaping your personality. So what I believe is even students in not only in metros, even good cities like Bhopal and even some small towns I've seen, students when they come forward with these responsibilities of organizing events, conferences, and learning a lot through that journey. So that is really beneficial, and that I can very well see in your personality. And I really appreciate the line, there is Surabhi Gupta. So you have a task, and she's there for you, right?
Right, exactly.
So that is really amazing. So Surabhi, coming to the third component, your family and siblings. Please tell something about your family and siblings.
Yeah, okay. I have a joint family, and I learned so many things from my family. Yeah, my grandfather and grandmother is there, and then my uncle and aunt, then my father and mother, and I have uh, one brother and sister, and then one brother and sister as a cousin. So there are total 11 members in my family, including me. And my talking about my siblings, my sister is doing MBA from IBS College, Pune, and my brother is in 8th standard right now.
Okay, and your parents, your father and mother, what they're
My
engaged?
father, yeah, my mother is a housewife, and my father is a businessman.
Okay, and this is very much in your hometown itself.
Yeah,
And what sort of
it's here.
okay, what sort of business is this? If we can just share in brief.
Yeah, my father is the owner of a factory, of a wheat factory. We purchase raw wheat or raw grains from farmers or some dealers, and then we process it in our factory, and then it goes to the government.
Okay, perfectly. Okay, so that is really very good to understand. It's a very much agriculture pro, right? So it's really
Right.
very good because see, ultimately I do observe, many engineers or many good people, educationists. See, you sell a wheat like a raw wheat, it is hardly 10 to 12, right? Hardly, I'll say. But again, if you go
Right.
in your form and when you go for the processing, if you can help the farmers to understand the processing business, so definitely they're going to earn 10 times of what they are earning by just selling the wheat. So being into
Right. Right.
this
Right.
is really good. So Surabhi, now your yes, the right thing which you really wanted to initiate, your aspirations, your dreams.
Yeah. Like everybody, like every other student in the country, everyone wants to get a good college. So my aspiration is also to get into a good college with a good placement, so that I can help my family. Because of this pandemic, my family has faced so many losses, in business, because there was no transportation and no work and no processing and other things. So they have faced a lot of losses. So I really want to get into a good job and good placement and good college, so that I can help them in whatever way I can.
So
My
Surabhi,
family is my strength. So everyone, likes to help their family and love them and see them happy. So it's one of my aspiration, you can say.
That sounds really great, Surabhi. And I can see when you're in a joint family with 11 members, you learn a lot, you learn to share, the responsibilities. And I believe you're not the eldest, but are you the eldest among all your cousins?
Yeah, I'm the elder one.
Okay, perfectly okay. So ultimately, there is a responsibility which you have to deliver, no doubt in that. So, Surabhi, it was really good
Right.
to understand you, your
Yeah,
profile.
it was not my responsibility. My father and my tata didn't say this, but I personally feel it as a member of this family and as the elder one, it's my responsibility.
Yeah, definitely. Why not, Surabhi? It should be, and you need to understand this component because parents will never ask you for the finances, but it's your responsibility to prove yourself and really get strong financially and raise day by day. So, Surabhi, it was really impressive and good discussion with you, understanding your entire strength, your academics, your extracurricular. So, Surabhi, I'm really glad to share with you that yes, we will be recommending your profile because, see, for many candidates, the discussion ends here only. Okay, if I'm not convinced, or let us say if we are not convinced in totality, we definitely don't go further. But Surabhi, for you, it's different case. Now, I need to ask you about your qualifying examinations for MBA. So that is
Okay.
one was that I believe that is 67 you scored, right? Any other exam you
Right.
gave?
No, no.
Okay, so Surabhi, now what is important? See, now you have worked with TCS for 1 year, right?
Right.
And now you're planning for MBA. That is pretty good decision. So what is important? We need to understand. See, you said you did your CAT with no preparation and you got 67 percentile. But
Right.
ultimately, what is important for your BTech, for your mains, you must have gone through some coaching.
Yeah, for means, yeah.
Definitely. So, see, you have invested some time in coaching, but the subject was different. But you learn some, I'll say a basic skills to crack any exam. So, ultimately, what is
Yes.
important? If I consider a CAT journey in general scenario, you need to understand as a corporate person also
Okay.
because you never know when you're going for MBA. Maybe what exactly is your specialization? Surabhi, you're planning for yourself.
Finance.
That's pretty very wise choice, I'll say. Reason, it is something which is going to give you great placements and great success. So
Yeah,
ultimately,
exactly.
what happens, Surabhi? See, just write down what exactly is a CAT journey. We need to understand in brief, just 2 to 5 minutes. CAT is basically you start with your coaching. It might be Times, it might be Career
Yeah.
Launcher. You invest something around
Yeah.
60 to 80,000. Okay. Number two, you invest
Yeah.
365 days. Number three, when a candidate from any town of Madhya Pradesh comes to Bhopal, you have to bear your lodging boarding expenses for 1 year. Or maybe people
Right.
coming to Delhi, Mumbai, or Bangalore. So 1.5 lakh in lodging boarding in a year. And then starts your journey of that is your qualifying examination. So when we say qualifying examination, it is your CAT, ZAT, MAT, SNAP, NMAT, n number of exams. So you buy the
Right.
form, you travel to the destination, you stay in hotels, you eat, you spend. Because see, any candidate from Delhi flies to Maharashtra to give the common entrance, the government exam, right?
Right.
Ultimately, let us say 30,000 we are spending here. And now once you get your percentile, maybe 20, 40, 60, 80, then your hunt for college admission starts, right? So again,
Right.
you apply in different colleges, you buy the form, you travel, you appear in GDPI, you stay, you spend a lot. On minimal ground, I say 30,000. Now, Surabhi, just add these components, something around 2.9 lakh. This is what every candidate is spending in general. Exceptions are always there. But a general scenario is you invest something around 3 lakhs and you reach towards uncertainty. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, totally. I'm agree with you. Sorry.
So ultimately, what happens, Surabhi, this is what every candidate is spending. something, we have 2.5 lakh CAT data with us, and every student is going through this journey. You cannot avoid any single factor here. So ultimately, what is important now? What I'm going to discuss is going to be very certain, very firm, and within 10 days, you get result number one. So, process. So that I'm very firm with your caliber. You will be able to crack the, I'll say, the different rounds. So, Mohit, just help me with the college preference.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Aspijan Global Mumbai, IMI Kolkata, IFIM Bangalore,
Okay.
yes, and Symbiosis Pune.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. These are the
Perfectly.
ones.
Okay, perfectly. Okay, thank you, Mohit. Thank you very much. So, Surabhi, now I need to understand from your
Yeah.
end, SP Jan Global, Mumbai. Is this one of your dream
Yeah.
college?
Yes.
IMI Kolkata, it is in your preference list? Because IMI is a brand, you have to consider the brand.
Yeah.
IFIM,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
IFIM Bangalore is one of the finest institute for finance because of their amazing international accreditations and the collaboration. And Symbiosis Pune
Yeah.
is both one, right? So now, Surabhi,
Yeah.
what is
Right.
important? I'll talk what is possible for you. I'll not go with any fake comments, okay? Now,
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
dear,
Okay.
you have given CAT, but have you appeared in Snap?
No.
Okay, so with Snap score, if you're not having Snap score, a decent Snap score, symbiosis will not be possible. So let's delete this from list. Very important. Okay. So now
Okay.
coming in, focusing on SPGen Global, IMI Kolkata, IFM Bangalore, all are amazing brands, no doubt in that. Okay. And in case
Yeah.
you want, you can further extend your list if you want. Bharti Vidyapeeth Pune, and and we can go with the, basically you can say Ajinkya DY Patil Pune. That's totally up to you. If you want, I'll add, otherwise I will not add. Okay.
No. No. No.
Because
Don't
reason
add
I've
this
seen so many
college.
candidates. Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit, can you hear me clear?
Yes, ma'am. I can clear. It is very clear.
Okay, Mohit, please just drop a message in that trainee group. Ma'am is busy with Surabhi. Sagar is trying to approach me. Okay, it's because we have
Sure,
important
ma'am.
session at 11, I believe.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
just mention
Okay,
there,
ma'am.
okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And you refer to Sagar sir. So Surabhi, now what is important? In case you want, I'll include. In case you don't want, I'll not include. Yes, Surabhi.
Okay. But I don't want you to include these
Perfectly okay.
colleges.
Perfectly
I would
okay.
rather go for SPG or IMI or IFIM.
Perfectly okay. So Surabhi, why I'm telling, because I've seen so many candidates, they're crazy after BVP. And so I just thought maybe if it, in case it is there, so perfectly okay. For you, we will be focusing only on SPGen Global, IMI Kolkata, and IFIM Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you need to understand, Surabhi, how what exactly it happens and how it happens. And before that, let
Yeah.
me tell you, are you aware of SPGen Global?
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
Have you tried in these three colleges on your own?
No, I haven't tried.
Okay, that's good, because in case somebody has applied and somebody is rejected because of low CAT percentile, then we don't appreciate that in our list. I'll say it needs to be a fresh candidate so that we can really get a good profiling done and we can recommend you on strong parameters. So
Okay.
definitely it's growth, and we will be considering only these three. Now, what is important when I say SPJ and global? See, there are many things which people are not aware of. The first thing is it is going to give you a proper MBA degree, number one, right?
Right.
Number two, it is 12 months program. Are you aware of this, Surabhi?
No.
Okay, this is 12
Is
months
it
program.
kind of distant learning?
No. I'm coming to just understand important points. That's why I
Okay.
ask you how like what exactly is your information about this. See, we are in education industry from last 30 years, and with the
Okay.
company, I'll say 10 to 11 years. So we take care of India and abroad. So we know of all the each and every developments, and with great collaboration, which you guys are not aware of because of the changing parameters. So it is 12 months program plus 4 months internship. So in 16 months, your degree is in your hand. But you need to understand one thing which is very important. Your
Okay.
4-month internship is a paid internship where you get 60 to 80,000 per month. Okay.
Okay.
So you can easily understand what is your annual composition. You can easily earn within 4 months the same amount, something around, right?
Right.
Now coming to next, it is basically the program is, as we have TEXA, UGC in India, there is TEXA as the Australian government body, because SPJAN is not a Indian business school, it's an Australian business school.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you get your international branding done. Now, what is the best part, Surabhi, with your BTech, with your smartness, and with your leadership qualities? Understand this with depth. They have 3 campuses in Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, and the 4th one in Mumbai.
Yeah. I
So
know
the
about that.
right, the program is 4 months Dubai, 4 months Singapore, 4 months Sydney, and you complete your 12 months, right?
Okay.
Because they believe in global exposure, but the program is costing something around 30 to 40 lakhs if we go
Yeah.
with the abroad program. Now the point is, I don't know how much like what exactly is your budget for MBA, but in general students are having some discomfort when they listen to this figure. It's on I'll say on a higher side, it is their perception. But when you are going
Right.
for global exposure, global journey, it is going to cost you. But now what is important, as in UK, US, Canada, and Australia, they follow global curriculum, they follow global structure. Every country is focusing 12 months vigorous academic program. And then they have, either 1 year co-op or 1 year paid internship or 4 months paid internship. So they're working on this structure because they believe in grooming their candidate through practical exposures. So even 12 months learning is more towards doing and learning. So now coming
Right.
to the branding part, Surabhi, I believe it is top 10 business schools in the world. The ranking is amazing for SP Chen. So now what is good for you guys in COVID-19? The same program you can complete in Mumbai for 12 months, number one. Initially, it wasn't
Okay.
allowed, but now it is allowed due to COVID-19 travel bans, and we have to respect our honorable Prime Minister, right? So
Yeah.
now the financials with huge scholarship is cut down to 18 point something plus GST comes to 22 lakhs.
Okay.
So the price is also affordable, because even if I talk of MDI, IIMs, or any good institute you talk about, it's on average 20-25 lakhs, right? So ultimately, it is
Right.
now in the reach of most of the individuals, I'd say. And now, as your dad is having the business, so he must be having his GST number, right?
Yeah.
So you can very well think, Surabhi, you can save the GST component, that is something around 3 to 4 lakhs. How this will be done,
Yeah.
we will be guiding you about this also. Okay.
Okay.
Number 10, in case there is any financial condition which is not in favor as if now, you can anytime go for 95% education loan that is collateral free. Okay.
Okay.
So you can anytime take support of banking authorities. And the best part for the placements is the placement on average is 19 to 30 LPA, I'll say.
Okay.
And
That's
if I
great
talk,
because I was
yeah, that
thinking
is
for going. I was going to take a loan for this education, so it might be
so
helpful for me to get a good
re,
package initially.
right. So in this case, this is average, and I have seen people, cracking something between 32 to 50 LPA as well. I'll tell you how it happens. See, placement cracking best package is your look after, because it's your smartness, right? Your
Right.
skills, and in general, what happens when people are sitting in placement drive, trust me on that, Surabhi, you have your competitors as your, ex BBA, BA, BCom, BSc, right? These students.
Right.
And in any case, anybody from BTech and with good academics, definitely they outperform. So you get the benefit of your past journey, your past hardships, and you crack confidently good packages. but it's always good to be confident, but overconfidence is never good, So you need to
Yeah,
work
yeah.
hard for that. And in this scenario, Surabhi, in case you are keen to move to Dubai and Singapore for one of the terms, so when I say one of the terms, it is going to be 4 months tenure. Okay, you can very
Yeah.
well get the permission, and you can fly to Dubai, Singapore for your exposure. Because see, this is the ground reality. I've seen candidates. If you get something around 50 LPA in Dubai, won't you fly the other moment? You will.
Yeah, of course I will.
Right, so nobody is going to stick to India in that scenario. So that is very flexible and it's amazing. And now what is important, Surabhi, because even IMI, I don't need to tell you what IMI is. IMI is a brand in itself. So they have campus in Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar. So currently we will be in a position to offer you IMI Kolkata, but a amazing brand, amazing placements. And if I talk of IFIM Bangalore, known for their finance studies, and they have their amazing IB program, in which you can complete 1 year in India, and second year you fly to State University of New York, that is US, or maybe Australia can be your destination for one complete year. So you can really pick up good specializations in, in New York or Australia, depending upon your wish, will, and wisdom. So amazing accreditation. And the best part is there is one international body, you should be aware of it. It's a USA based body established in 1916, and they accredit all the business schools in all over the world. So that is AACSB, and this accreditation is given to some of the IIMs in India. IMT Ghaziabad is accredited with this body, and even IFIM has got this accreditation. So you can very well understand it is floating on what parameters, okay?
Yeah.
So they have amazing global presence, amazing international collaborations. So Surabhi, this is what you can easily get. But yes, what is important, you understand to, I believe you're understanding the opportunities that you're going to get.
Yeah, of course I'm getting it. Totally getting
Uh,
it.
and ultimately what happens is, Surabhi, people have this misconception of 1 year and 2 year program. Let me clear this, because ये बड़ों के साथ थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, अब हम लोग एजुकेशन से हैं तो हमारे साथ नहीं होती है, बट एनी लेमैन विल हैव कि एक साल में आप क्या पढ़ लोगे बेटा इतना फाइनेंशियल्स देकर. So Surabhi, it's important. UK, US, Canada, Australia, everybody is following this global curriculum. And I'll just guide you in next 1 minute how it happens. So just make two columns very quick and fast, A and B.
Yeah.
And in A, just write 24. Minus 6,
Yeah,
you
right.
get 18. Yeah, minus 6, you get 18.
Yeah.
Minus 2 twice, you get 14. Minus 1, you get 13. And please circle 13.
Okay.
In column B, write on 12 plus 4 and you get 16. And please encircle 12. Now, my dear,
Okay.
column A is you enroll yourself for 2 year program in general, right?
Right.
Because see, ultimately MBA or PGDM both are equivalent nowadays, right? Now, what is
Right, right.
important? Everywhere, see, even IFM Bangalore is 2 years, IMI Kolkata is 2 years, no doubt in that. But SP Jan is 1 year. How it is different? So in general scenario, when we say 2 years, it is 24 months. Minus 6 is 18 months, right? What is
Right.
minus 6? It is your industrial training. You go for training, okay?
Okay.
Now, when I say India, we all know summer, autumn, winter break. तो 2 महीने की छुट्टी तो बेटा आपको हर जगह मिलती है, right?
Right.
In your academic program. So 2 months in first year, 2 months in second year, you're left with 14 months, 14 academic months. And then we as India, we are rich in our culture. So Holi, Diwali, Pongal, Dashera, Rakhi, Bhaiya Dooj, and n number of festivals. 1 month in festival season. So you are left with 13 months, right?
Right.
So column A is system of education in India and column B is the global system. They focus on 12
Okay.
months academic. Now see 12 and 13. What a big difference. It's hardly any. But my dear, you save 1 year opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? So now let us say you're earning 5 or 6 LPA in a year, right? Now, if
Okay.
you plan to drop your job and go for MBA, so in general scenario, you're losing 6 in first year and 6 in second year, right?
Right.
But if you go for 1 year program, you save 6 lakhs there. Yes or no?
Right.
So this is the
Absolutely
real
correct.
so this is the real beauty when you talk to educationists, because it's not a business house, it's people with education. So we know the depth, how exactly it's going to matter. And I've seen so many parents
Yeah,
thinking,
because I
man, those are
can join. Yeah, I can join as soon as possible after completing my degree, right?
right. So ultimately, as soon as you complete your 12 months, you will be moving towards your internship, 4 months internship, where you will be helped with 60 to 80,000 per month. And then your amazing placements. You can crack anything between 20 to
Yeah,
50. It depends.
these internship vary company to company, right? Like if I go for any other company in for internship, the stipend would be different. Like as you said, 60 to 80. It might be 50 also.
See,
It
that is why
depends.
it, it depends, but SP Jain is very specific. They don't go below 50, and they're
Okay.
always open for. See, any institute will be very pro when their students are getting good. They will never compromise on the component of the payments, I'll say. And why this is so high in SP Jain? Because their placement sale, their internship sale in Dubai, Singapore, Sydney, Australia, and Mumbai, all four campuses common. So they will be sharing some opportunity in Dubai with Mumbai candidates also. Some opportunity in Singapore will be shared with Mumbai candidates also. So for their all the four campus, it's floating on the same parameter, I'll say. So it's same curriculum, same standard of faculty, same exposure in placements, internships, everything. So you can imagine in 8 months you study in Mumbai and last 4 months you fly to Dubai. You will not find even single difference in your curriculum. So it is so well defined. So you need not worry about the opportunities. It's going to be amazing. Now you need to understand how the process takes place. So Mohit,
Okay.
yeah, I'll just take a break for 2 minutes. Mohit, please explain Surabhi all the 10 steps which she needs to understand for the process to be, how she can really go for this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Surbhi, can you pen down the steps? Whatever I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
like to tell you. Yeah.
yeah.
So Surbhi, yeah, first step is document verification. Okay. So
Okay.
we will going to provide you a checklist, and you have to just send us those documents, and we will going to verify those documents. Okay, that will be our 10th,
Okay.
12th, and whatever certifications you hold. Okay.
Okay.
Then the second step is 2 mock interviews. Okay. So we will going to prepare you for the mock interviews which you will going to face in the university interviews. Okay.
Okay.
So third point is writing analysis. In writing analysis, we emphasize on essays. Essay writing is coming in universities whenever you are appearing for it. Okay.
Okay.
So we will going to prepare it for that also. Fourth is case study. That too the same. Okay. Fifth comes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Fifth is two LOR. LOR, letter of recommendation. Okay. And sixth is one
Yeah.
SOP, statement of purpose. So you must be,
Two letter of
yeah,
recommendation.
two letter of
You said.
recommendation. And sixth, one
Okay.
SOP, statement of purpose. So you must be knowing like whenever you are applying to the abroad country or any abroad university or in India, you have to give your letter of recommendation and SOP. That's must.
Okay.
Okay. Then seventh step is CPCG, that is career planning and guidance test. That is a psychometric test, and it puts up like auto-generated report, which consists of 6 to 70 pages that will going to attach with your application form. So whenever you must be applying to any university, that will going to attach to your profile, and it will going to make a good difference. Okay. And this test is
Can you
acknowledged
come
by,
again? What is this CPCG?
yeah, CPCG test is career planning and guidance test, which is acknowledged
Okay.
by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource and Development of Government of India.
Okay.
Okay. So if you talk about it, cost around 10,000 if you go for the market purpose. Okay. So it is psychometric test, and it have like 60 to 70 pages auto generated report, and it will going to attach with your application form. When you must be applying
Okay.
to any college, then it will going to attach with that application form, and will just give a good impression on a profile.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Then eighth comes online exam. Okay. And write ninth essay and case study.
Okay.
And 10th is GD
Yes.
and PI. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, 8, 9, and 10. These are the steps which are followed by the norms of university. Okay. So online
Okay.
exam will be like whatever pattern university have, essay and case history, whatever they want to just give you the like whatever exam they want to conduct. And GD and PI, whatever like norms they have for the GD and PI. So it will depend on the properly on the university norms. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's come to now it comes to offer letter. So as Rekha ma'am already mentioned that you will get the offer letter in 7 to 10 days. Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So as Rekha ma'am had already mentioned, you will get the offer letter in 7 to 10 days. Okay.
Okay.
So after that it comes registration. So registration amount is 33,000.
So this